Is Warrior Plus legit? Let's find out in this detailed video review. You're going to learn all the answers you need to know about Warrior Plus because many people are asking this particular question. So I decided to get a review done on my blog. Is Warrior Plus actually legit? So it's very in-depth. I have a link to this in the description of this YouTube video. So if you feel like you want to read a written review, you can definitely check it out. It's more detailed. But at the same time, I want to also give you a video review to help you to understand more about Warrior Plus, what it is, the founders, everything, all right? So what we're going to do right now, let's jump into the table of contents and just take a look to see what we're going to cover for you right now. By the way, I am Jason Foster. I run this YouTube channel. I also run this website, smarthumanblogger.com. I like to create content, helping people to make money online. I like reviewing products as well. That helps you to make a good decision. If you like this type of content, subscribe right now to the channel and also click on the like button, thumbs it up so that the video reaches more people. It's for the YouTube algorithm, okay? Now let's jump into the table of contents. We're going to look at what Warrior Plus is all about. Who is the founder of Warrior Plus? How does Warrior Plus work? What is the cost of joining Warrior Plus? Now, are there any additional charges? How do you make money from Warrior Plus? Will I get a refund from Warrior Plus? Is Warrior Plus legit? Of course, that's the main question we're going to answer for sure. What I like about Warrior Plus, also what I don't like about Warrior Plus. Also, alternatives. It's always important that you get the best alternatives to anything out there, and I'm going to provide that for you in this video, okay? Now, first of all, let's look into this now. What is Warrior Plus? Summary of Warrior Plus. Type of product, it's a marketing platform for digital products. So that means you, as maybe as a marketer, you want to promote products, you can go on Warrior Plus, sign up for free and get products to promote. Or maybe if you're someone who is a creator of products, you can put your product on Warrior Plus and have other people promote it for you. The founder is Mike Lance. We're going to cover a little more detail about him. And of course, you find it at warriorplus.com. 4 out of 10 is the rating for this because it's not a very high quality platform. Free to join. Digital products price will vary. And do I recommend this? I don't recommend this, especially to newbies who are just coming into, making money online, things like that. There are better options out there, let me tell you. All right, so let's look into the overview. Warrior Plus is a digital platform that promotes affiliate marketing, right? They deal with digital products, promote specific lines of product. It's easy to launch, easy to promote, and also pays instant commissions, right? That's a pretty good thing. They pay instant commission. Not a lot of other platforms out there will do this, okay? But you should also understand that these are just claims and not really facts about Warrior Plus. So you have to stick to the video to understand, all right? Of course, I have better alternatives. Again, I'm going to talk about that at the end of the video, okay? Now, Warrior Plus is a digital platform that allows online entrepreneurs to sell their digital products, right? Now, the platform creates an avenue for sellers and buyers, as I mentioned, of various digital products. So you'll get access to products like online courses, right? Apps, software, done for your business models and things like that. So that's what it's a digital platform for digital products. Okay. Now let us go into some of the things you need to know, right? Warrior Plus could have been the best platform for promoting businesses and purchasing digital products, but it does not guarantee the quality of products. That's a big flaw, right? A great percentage of the products offered do not deliver on their promises. A lot of people are buying these products and they're not getting any results. I see this all the time, okay? There are some examples of some sites here of some products actually that, are not so great. 7-minute sales machine, CB, Moneyvine, 10x profit sites. Ministry of Freedom is one that is out there. I did a review of Ministry of Freedom as well. It's not so bad, but a lot of people are saying bad things about them, So again, I am Jason, I make a full-time living on the internet. Learn more anytime, reach out to me as well. The founder of Warrior Plus is this guy. His name is Mike Lance. He's the person behind, and he's a serial entrepreneur, right? He's a citizen of the United States in Nevada. He's also a digital marketer. He's also a technical guy. Basically, he graduated with a bachelor's degree. He landed his first job in 2000, and then he worked for 2 firms until he launched Warrior Plus in 2006. So it's been a long time since he launched this platform. So that's a good thing. Basically, they've been online for quite some time. How does it work really, Warrior Plus? It's a very useful platform for both advertisers and publishers. It creates a link between affiliate marketers and the owners of various products. The Warrior Plus as only categorizes products based on refund rate, commission, conversion rate, launch date, sales, visitor value, and average sale. What is the cost of joining Warrior Plus? So becoming a Warrior Plus member is totally free if you are going to promote products. You just need to have your email account and you choose to become a vendor, customer, or affiliate marketer, okay? Additional charges. Are there any additional charges when it comes to Warrior Plus? Well, after signing up, you'll get access to various digital products. The products are different qualities that have different prices. So if you buy a product, there's going to obviously be a charge for that, okay? How do you make money from Warrior Plus? You make money from the platform either as a vendor again or as an affiliate, right? You create products and you sell them on the Warrior Plus platform if you're a vendor. If you're an affiliate marketer, you choose well-paying products to promote. Obviously, affiliate marketing is the most profitable that I love telling people to get into. When it comes to refund, will you get a refund from Warrior Plus if you buy a product, right? So they do have a refund policy, but it doesn't own the products, okay? So that means what's gonna happen is that if you buy a product on Warrior Plus, you would have to reach out to the product creator themselves, okay? Not to Warrior Plus, but to the product creator. So that is one of the reasons I do not recommend you even join them, because the customers that buys product, for example, through your link as an affiliate, you know, they're not gonna be really happy with you. The refund rate for these products are very high. This is one thing a lot of people don't know. You can make some money. People will show you the money that is being made, but again, they don't tell you about the high refund rates, okay? Because of the low quality of products. I tell you right now that getting a refund immediately will not be easy, okay? After launching the process, you can go to the next step if you fail, okay? You can contact Warrior Plus and you can ask for their support. Another option is to dispute your transaction with PayPal, okay? PayPal is always good, helping customers to get back their money. You know, so if you use your PayPal to purchase any products on Warrior Plus, you stand a very high chance to get back your funds if you're not satisfied, okay? Now, is Warrior Plus legit? Now, Warrior Plus is a legitimate platform, okay? It is a platform for digital marketers to find products to promote as an affiliate. But the big problem with Warrior Plus is that most of the products are going to be low in quality, so high refund rates, okay? Now, what do I like about Warrior Plus? The first thing is that some of the products offered by Warrior Plus are genuine. So that's a good thing. If you choose to become an affiliate, you will get instant payments. It's pretty good. It also gives you access to a larger digital marketplace, and it's free to join. Now, what I don't like about Warrior Plus is that it exposes you to a lot of scams out there, okay? And that's not good. It does not have dedicated affiliate support. The quality of the products sold is not guaranteed. So you will get promises from these products that you can make this and that per day or per month. It's not guaranteed. The reputation for Warrior Plus is also questionable, right? Another thing is that you may not qualify for programs if you have never made affiliate sales before. Okay, so if you're like brand new, if you compare this to places like ClickBank Marketplace or places like Digistore24, those platforms are a little bit better in terms of you promoting products right away without getting qualified to promote them. Okay. Now, is there any alternative to Warrior Plus? And I can firmly say, yes, there is. I just mentioned ClickBank, for example, and I also mentioned Digistore. You can check out those platforms and find good products because ClickBank has a pretty good marketplace now. Back in the day, they weren't so great, but they have improved drastically, and you can definitely find products to promote. But when it comes to learning how to promote products, learning how to be a great marketer, you won't really find that training on these platforms either. These platforms are just platforms to find products to promote as an affiliate. But when it comes to getting the real deal training on how to become great at marketing, this is what I love to show people about, right? So this is what I do. I make money online and I love showing people how to do this, right? So right now, if you're interested to learn how to become a great marketer and also to promote the right products, high-paying products with high value, you can definitely check the first link in the description of the video. right here on YouTube, right? So if you're watching on YouTube, just check the link right there. You'll get information, you'll get training, you will get linked up with top marketers, top people in the industry that actually are successful and are out there genuinely helping other people. All right. So hopefully you found value in this review of Warrior Plus. Go ahead and thumbs up on the video. If you have questions about Warrior Plus, go ahead and leave it in the comment section as well. I'm looking forward to your success as well. You know, always looking out for you guys out there to make money, to increase your value. So thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next video.